Shukor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Ka Conservation Training Institute Bernihan lembat katanat Soil and Water Conservation mentakasngi ka arterik ujemang arajar arpusau kalala ban penlong ya ka passing out parade ban penkop buram ya ki prangut ki officer ki bala pendep ya ka 36 batch middle level technician training program ka basan benai bat ya prangut ki field assistant ki balala ban pendep ya ka 50th batch field assistant training course ka bakhat wei benai ha ka jaka ajing hikai ka badan ha bernihan hagabay day bat ka 50th batch field assistant training course arajar arpula arpusau kidon ko masipongut ki bala sya jet ban yo ajing hikai henry arngut nikindi ki day ki ban jela Assam bat kimpat la ban pendep namar kajing ban kajing shitom bat ki bala la ban pendep pat ki kinthop ya laingut nakatanat Soil and Water Conservation jong sarkar Assam laingut na Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council but arngut naka Soil and Water Conservation jong jilla Meghalaya hakathop jong 36th batch middle level technician training program kidon ko masipongut ki bala syajid ban syahikai hakani ke jaka ki bakinthop ya hendrengut nakatanat Soil and Water Conservation jong ki district bapher haka jilla Meghalaya arngut na ka Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council but arngut na katanat Soil and Water Conservation jong ka jilla Arunachal Pradesh hangniru kumba prangut kilala ban pendep hok ye kijing syahikai kat ba arngut pat kilahap ban mino namar kajing bempat la ban penbiang ye kikindon jong kani ka jaka ajing hikai ye kita ki khan rengut ki samla ki bala pendep ya artli ki jaj ajing hikai hagate ka CTI Bernihan lawan ban penkup buram da Dr. Joram Beda ubadai Commissioner and Secretary jong katanat Soil and Water Conservation ubalalong kumukongsan haga jingit lang jong kong ai renja Director Soil and Water Conservation lembat ki de ki head officer ki nong hikai ka CTI Bernihan bat ki bahaya ngasem jong kita ki bala pendep ya ka jing sya jing hikai.
Thank you, Madam. Yes. And third, the Director of External Organization. In memorial, Ati Arnapu. And second, in memory of Dr. Dev L. Varga, ex-gender CM, gender group, retired gender group, Abdullah. Sir, K.W. Marmani, in memory of LDL divisions. Go down. Just odd.
And Soil and Water Conservation Department Meghalaya for giving us the opportunity to motivate our interest and increase our knowledge. We are thankful for organizing visits and study trips to places. Apart from experience, we gain knowledge from the assigned subjects. Now that we are leaving, we want you to remember only the good times we have had together and forgive us for any lack of courtesy we might have shown. We send our best wishes to the department and we sincerely hope that the department will continue developing interesting and exciting training programs that will benefit to other trainees from all over the place and many years to come. Today we are living with a wealth of knowledge we will always treasure. It was all possible because of our instructors' backing support. I wish everyone here to be healthy and happy in your lives. Thank you once again.
underscore the significance of our achievements. We pledge to uphold the standard of our esteemed department through spirit of hard work, dedication, and professionalism. To sum it all in a few words, the course was both knowledgeable and informative, practical. It was interactive in nature, and with a practical in between gives us deeper understanding of the subject which has become so inherent to us in our workplace. I take this opportunity to express my deepest appreciation to all the faculty members who, throughout the duration of the course, have been undergoing, patient who have given their best efforts to make us grasp concepts, knowledge possible. The dedication and expertise have guided us in every steps of the way to impart knowledge and shaping us so that we are better equipped to tackle the challenges ahead. As we step into the next chapter of our career, let us embrace the opportunities and challenges that lie ahead with enthusiasm and determination. May we continue to strive for excellence, guided by the principles of conservation and sustainability that forms the cornerstone of our training. Apart from these different subjects or thoughts, forestry has taught us the management of forest sustainability, including cultivation, methods of harvesting forest crops, while also dwelling in timber production, conservation, recreation, overall improving the forest ecosystem in which we much depend on. The subject, soil science, digs deep into various soil properties, its information, classification, as well as numerous interaction and role it has with plants, animals, especially agriculture.
The Vision Training Institute, Barniha, would like to give a brief report on the 11 months field assistant training course and also the 50-page field assistant training program, which started with effect from 2nd June 2023, concluding today, the 2nd May 2024. The Conservation Training Institute, Barniha, is one of the oldest premier institute in the northeastern region, playing a key role in providing training to the field functionaries of the department and allied organizations of the state as well as of other department, organization of other northeastern states. 10 numbers of trainees were nominated for 11 months 50-page field assistant training course 2023 to 24, which started with effect from 2nd June 2023. There are 5 numbers from Soil and Water Conservation Department, Assam. 3 numbers of trainees from Dante Hills Autonomous District Council, Department of Forest, Joy. And 2 numbers of trainees from Soil and Water Conservation, Meghalaya. 8 numbers of trainees have successfully completed the course, and other 2 trainees from Assam were released due to non-fulfillment of laid down rules and regulations of the institute because of ill health issues. The theory and practical classes for the trainees were designed well. The subjects covered in this training course are agronomy, soil science, botany, silviculture, forest mensuration, forest utilization, wildlife, forest law and accounts and procedure, forest engineering, soil and water conservation engineering, survey and leveling. Trainees were exposed to projects and assignments besides classroom teaching. They were involved in other curricular activities like games and sports and social works, etc. And in order to inculcate discipline, physical training class PT is conducted every morning and were made essential for them to wear uniform in classes every day, which will equip them in ethical way. District, state, and outside state study tours were also conducted to expose them to various natural resource management works implemented in various districts of the state, including visit to Kaziranga National Park to learn wildlife management as well as flora and fauna conservation. Following other study tours conducted to this patch at different times through the training course. First, Maranga Range Office, Shillong Plantation Corps, Soil and Water Conservation Department, Meghalaya. Second, Indian Council of Agriculture Research, ICR, Umiam, Meghalaya. Third, Nongpo Territorial Division, Soil and Water Conservation Department, Rigoi District, Meghalaya. Various soil and water conservation divisions in Meghalaya covering the districts of North Garo Hills, West Garo Hills, Southwest Garo Hills, East Garo Hills, West Khasi Hills, East Khasi Hills, West Chanti Hills, and East Chanti Hills. Fifth, Kaziranga National Park combined study tour with combined study tour of 50 batch FA and 36 batch MLTV.
Ups and downs, it doesn't make sense, it doesn't make it memorable. And so going through the academic or training difficulties is part and parcel of your life and your profession. I congratulate all the top achievers. I congratulate all the trainees for successfully completing this training program, and also at the same time I congratulate the Joint Director Sangma and his team for organizing this training with all diligence. For us in Shillong, we are always burdened with so many assignments that at times when we see the diligence with which the program coordinator is organizing such academic pursuits, it's really amazing. I was just listening to the report of this course by Sri H.R. Sangma, and I was looking at him. The world is so big, but he was in all passion, with all his interest in the subject. He was mentioning the report about the field visits, the classes, the hands-on experience, so on and so forth. It's really amazing. And seeing this, I'm even more encouraged that this institution should be scaled up. When I first visited this institution in 21, the history of the institution really amazed me. And at the outset, when you are passing by this highway, it's not so evident. But when you go through the history of this institution, you're really inspired and amazed. And even more so, the reason that all the northeastern states are still sending their officers for training here in this institution makes it even more important that we should scale it up in the near future. Having said so, I would like to emphasize again to all the trainees who have successfully completed this program that in the given situation, you are all aware that there is a heat wave going on across the Indian subcontinent. And global warming and climate change have become even more important issues. It has become even more relevant. Everybody knows in their own lifetime that things have changed drastically. And the change is exponential. In the initial 10 or 20 years of your life, things were stagnant. The situations were stagnant, the climatic